What's up guys, today I wanted to review this TUSA Snorkel kit. I've been using it for about a year now and I really like it and I want to show some pros about it. A couple of cons, but just talk about generally speaking why I do recommend you get one of these if you like snorkeling and you want to have your own snorkel kit. So this is the package that it comes in, and it's a pretty simple product, and if you look at it, there's only a difference in the size. There's small, medium, and large. So you just want to get some kind of an idea of your fin size. That's the most important thing here. I have big feet, so I got the large version. But yeah, anyway, so we'll just unbox it real quick for you and then give you an idea of what it looks like inside. So this is what it looks like. Yeah, so you can see here that the snorkel mask is pretty high quality. I really like it. Actually, I use it for scuba diving too because it's so high quality. The mask is quite large and broad, gives a great viewpoint. It's very comfortable to use. I've never had any discomfort using this thing. Yeah, it's a great mask. It doesn't fog up easily, so I like using it a lot. And the snorkel unit itself, the mouthpiece, is quite nice and it's flexible, kind of like moves around. The mouthpiece is quite like a soft rubber-ish material. It's not too hard, so it's nice, comfortable to squeeze on. And it's one of these more advanced ones that doesn't suck in water too easily, which is super nice. It still does suck in some water, so you have to like blow it out, but yeah, it's quite solid when you're snorkeling and stuff like that. And the fins are really good too, so when you're using them, it's pretty easy to put on and off, and just like really good high quality rubber, high quality fins. Definitely helps snorkeling and makes it a lot of fun. I really like using this snorkel kit. And yeah, the only downside about having your own snorkel kit obviously is you have to clean it, which is a little bit of work. I usually just recommend, obviously using some soap and water and cleaning it after every use. And yeah, other than that, great thing to have around the house. I live here in Bali, Indonesia, so there's lots of great snorkeling spots around here within a couple hours drive, so I can go snorkel on the weekends and just have some fun. So definitely if you live somewhere close by to a snorkel spot, get your own snorkel kit. This is the TUSA Sport. Link is in the description below.
All right, and here I am wearing it, just so you can get some idea, but yeah, it just fits really nice, like super tight fit around the edges, no issues at all with leakage. And this piece here is very flexible and easily mountable on the side here, the strap. And yeah, it's super easy. So guys, if you want to buy this, go check out the description below. Link is there to Amazon. You can get it for around $100. Latest price is always changing, of course. If you want a free subscription to Prime, a free trial, also check that link as well. And subscribe to the channel. I'll see you here in the next one. Out there snorkeling. Take care.